That rolls smooth, quiet, and easy. And even loaded down, it's not heavy. Hey guys, the good folks over at Coolife sent me over 2 carry-on luggages to kind of do a little comparison video. One is the upgraded model and one is the standard model. Let's get them opened up and let's see what the real difference is. Stick around. Let's get the plastic off here and take a closer look. Okay, I see one difference now. I'll show you that in just a moment. See if you notice the same thing I did. This one has dual wheels. They're the silent wheels too. Spin 360. These are silent and they spin 360 as well, but it's a single wheel. There is a big difference right there. Both of them have ABS+PC shell. However, the upgraded model is 100% polycarbonate. You know, if you're just looking at them, oh, I just saw another difference here. The standard model has little feet right here, so you'll be able to set it like that. Whereas the upgraded one doesn't have the little feet on it. It's smooth. I will say I wish they would have left the little feet on there. I like that feature. Really a nice feature there. Little carrying straps here. Yeah, they're both good. It's like they both have the TSA approved locks right there and right here. It's just on the upgraded model, it is on the top. On the standard, it is on the side. I really like these locks because you can set your own code. You have your code there and you can't unlock it. You just slide the lock over and it'll unlock. But if you put it on your code, it'll come unlocked. Most of Coolife's luggage has this feature, which is a really nice feature. Now both luggages are supposed to be 20 inches tall, but obviously you can tell that the upgraded version is slightly taller. You measure from the floor up, you're looking at roughly 22.5 inches, whereas the standard model, you're looking at roughly about 22 inches, about 21.75. So the upgraded model is slightly taller, but that's from the ground up. That's counting the wheels. Let's measure them while they're laying down here, because the inside measurement is what matters. I guess they both meet that 20-inch standard, so they are airline carry-on approved. As you know, you can only have a certain size. Oh, that's nice looking on the inside. Look at that. There's the zipper here. You have the area for your clothes right here. Like if you had shirts and you didn't want them falling out when you opened up the suitcase. You wouldn't have to worry about that. There's a wet bag right here. I guess I would call it a wet bag. I really don't know. I mean, me personally, it's where I put my toothbrush and hairbrush and things like that. But anyway, yeah, and here's another pocket. Now this is the standard model. The standard model's really nice, guys. And of course you have this side here. You know, it has the strap, and you can strap your jeans and pants and shorts or whatever in right there. I do like that this has got that area right there for your shirts. I don't know about y'all, but I've opened up a suitcase and my shirts all fell out. That will keep them all in one spot. I like that. Let's see if the upgraded model has that. Oh, let's get a measurement. The standard one is right at 19 inches. And this way it is, well, my bag's in the way. Let's see. Well, here, we'll measure this side. It'll be easier. About 13.5. Yeah, about 13.5 inches wide. And what I say, 19 inches this way. The thick, well, I've got it opened up, so that's kind of hard to measure. But here, we'll just go 5 and 4, about 9 inches deep. Measure this real quick. They're probably close to the same 9.5 inches this way. Open up the upgraded model and see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, look at there, guys. A little different on the inside. You know, you can kind of, here, let me turn it this way, kind of compare that. A little bit different, but it still has this compartment here for your shirts. So that is a winner right there. But this one has one big pocket here, which you'll be able to see through the netting material. That's nice. This one had the two pockets. One you can see through and one is a closed pocket. Standard one does have this little pocket here, whereas the upgraded model doesn't. They both have the little straps right here. You can see right there. Hopefully you can see. That is what I'm seeing the difference here. This side is definitely different with the pockets. Nothing wrong with either one of them. This one just gives you a bigger area, all in one pocket. They both have this part for your shirts or whatever. For me personally, it'd be my shirts. I think the inside measurements look pretty close to the same. Well, that's almost a full 20 inches. This one was 19, wasn't it? Yeah, 19. So it is bigger, slightly bigger. This way is 13 3/4. This one is 13 3/4. About the same width. It's just a little bit longer. Hey guys, I just discovered something. As you notice, they're about the same height, right? It's a little thicker, but look right here. Look at this. It expands. Look how much more room you have now. And you got a little bit more room in the upgraded version, but with that expanding, look at this. We're sitting at about 9.5. And that one's about 9. Another, what, about 2.5 to 3 inches. Look at this. Man, I tell you what, if you were real close to having enough room, but you had to sit on top of it to get it to squish down some more, unzip it, give yourself some extra room. You ain't got to worry about it. That is nice. Believe me, I am one to overpack a suitcase. I don't know, you know, it's kind of like a weekender, and this is a bonus weekender. Actually, for me, I could probably get by with a whole week's worth of clothes in there. But you know what? Let's just see. Okay, guys, I got 7 sets of clothes ready to go. Let's see if we can get it all in there. Let's start with the shirts. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. Not a problem at all. And actually, I think, let's see, yeah, I believe we got room. 7 pairs of socks. You know what? We might as well put our undies on this side too. Oh, forgot a laptop. I'd be wanting to take that. Can't forget the mouse. Now, let's see if our shorts fit. Yeah, you never know. Might need some pants too. Well, just don't forget we're going to need something to sleep in. All right, 7 sets of clothes and my laptop. And you know, I could get out the toothbrush and hairbrush, but there's plenty of room, you can see. So we can throw that strap back over that. Don't have to worry about nothing falling out. I don't even know if we'd need that expanded part out or not, but we have it if needed. What do you think, guys? 7 sets of clothes and a laptop and our mouse for the laptop. Look, we really don't even need it expanded. Just gives you that extra room. You could put probably a pair of shoes in there too. Now, I want to show you this handle right here. Look at that. Guys, this handle is so nice. Y'all didn't even hear me coming, did you? Listen to that. Can you hear that? Has 2 different heights on it. You can go right there, or you can go ahead and close it all the way. Just push a little button right there, raise it up. Wherever you'd like it. Listen, look at that. That's going over on carpet. That rolls smooth, quiet, and easy. And even loaded down, it's not heavy. You know, you got that handle, you got this handle, and you got your pulling handle. Just whichever way is the most convenient for you. Now, as far as our standard one goes, it rolls pretty good too. You know, no real complaints. It's just got the single wheels on it. It also has the handle. You know what? That handle, I like that, but it doesn't feel as good as this one. This one's got a little better grip on it. Can't really tell, but it does feel better. And the chrome looks cool, but I kind of like this little bit, I don't know what you call it, a little duller color instead of the bright shiny chrome, which is nothing wrong with the chrome at all. I like it, but I like this better. Oh, it's got a hanger right here too. I forgot to mention that. You can hang different things on there, guys or girls, even if you got a hat, you can hang your hat on there, like so. Or if you have a big old cup, like I carry, you can hang that on there. Look at that. You ain't got to worry about carrying it. Well, there you go, guys. What did y'all think about them? Let me know down in the comment section, which one would you choose? I think they're both winners in my book. I do like the little feet on this one. I like the ability to expand this to make it wider, and I like the double wheels on it. Either way, they're both winners. I like them. Hey, if you want to check these out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you may want to check out this playlist right over here. Maybe some more luggage in there, and there may be some more things in there that could perk your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.